In today's interconnected world where the internet plays a crucial role in our daily lives, ensuring your online safety is paramount. In this video, we'll talk about how to unveil some essential internet safety tips to keep you protected in the digital realm. We'll also walk you through some basic steps on how to use a VPN and antivirus software to enhance your online protection. Let's dive right in and make sure you're armed with the knowledge to surf the internet with confidence and peace of mind. Tip number 1, keep software updated. The first internet safety tip is to ensure all your software, including your operating system, web browsers, and applications, are always up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. Tip number 2, use strong and unique passwords. Create strong passwords that include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts and consider using a password manager to help you keep track of them securely. Tip number 3, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a secondary code or approval on your smartphone to log in, making it much harder for hackers to access your accounts. Tip number 4, be cautious with links and attachments. Always be wary of clicking on links or opening email attachments from unknown or suspicious sources. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Tip number 5, familiarize yourself with the privacy settings of your social media accounts and other online platforms. Adjust them to control who can see your posts and personal information. Lastly, tip number 6, be mindful of sharing personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal information online, such as your home address, phone number, or financial details. Limit the information you provide to only trusted websites and services. But here are very important tips we'd like to share with you. Use a VPN and an antivirus. For VPN, we recommend choosing a reputable VPN service provider like ExpressVPN. This is a powerful tool for enhancing online security as it encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server, making it difficult for hackers to intercept your data. It's so easy to use it. Just head over to the ExpressVPN website, create an account, and purchase a subscription. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can test it out without any risks. Once completed, simply download and install the app on your device. After launching the app, pick a server location from their extensive network, spanning 94 countries. Click on Connect, and you're good to go. Now you can explore the online world, enjoy streaming, and engage in gaming activities without worrying about cyber threats. To increase your security even further, we suggest you also get an antivirus software. There's a lot of good antivirus softwares out there, and the best one we recommend is TotalAV. Download and install the antivirus software on your device. Once done, run a full system scan to detect and remove any existing threats. You can also download the free ad blocker for Chrome extension to secure your browser. There you have it, essential tech tips for internet security and online safety. By following these guidelines and using a VPN and antivirus software, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to online threats. Check out the links in the description below for exclusive discounts. Stay safe and secure while enjoying all the benefits the internet has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, see you next time.